Hello folks, this is Larry Strzelecki from Assured Concepts Group with an educational economic update for July 2019. Now in this month's video, I'll discuss some recent headlines that influence June stock prices. I'll also provide some perspective on what these developments may mean in the months ahead. After a disappointing May, U.S. stocks roared back in June. The S&P 500 picked up 6.9%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 7.2%, and the Nasdaq Composite gained 7.4%. During the month, the S&P 500 reached a record high, while the Dow Industrials and the Nasdaq Composite came within a whisper of their historical peaks. So what fueled the rally? Well, there's two factors: optimism over a potential interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve, and a growing belief that the U.S. and China are actually working to solve their tariff dispute. Stock prices opened the month lower, but soon climbed on hopes that the Fed would cut short-term rates. News that the U.S. would not impose further tariffs on Mexican imports also helped the rally. Towards the end of the month, however, stocks lost a bit of momentum due to escalating tensions in the Middle East, only to rise again on the news of President Trump's positive phone call with China's President Xi. Wall Street, therefore, finished the month mixed as all eyes turned to the G20 summit. While markets applauded the progress on trade, attention in June shifted to the Federal Reserve and what's next for short-term interest rates. The Fed kept the federal funds rate unchanged at its June two-day meeting, however, followed by a dovish statement indicating it would take appropriate actions to sustain the growth economy. Since markets have already assumed a future rate cut is inevitable, the potential for volatility may increase if the Fed continues to hold steady on rates. That's why this month we'll be watching the Fed closely for any signals it may send investors. Remember, the market's recent rise has been partially driven by the anticipation of a future rate cut. If the Fed were to suggest that a rate adjustment is not in the immediate offering, the market may find itself repricing stocks to reflect changing expectations. Well, that's it for this month's Educational Economic Update. Once again, this is Larry Strzelecki with Assured Concepts Group, signing off for the month of July 2019. Please remember that nothing I talk about here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give me a call at 847-426-1077, and I'd be happy to talk to you.
If you would like to discuss your portfolio or personal financial needs, please contact us at 847-426-1077. Nothing stated in this presentation should be considered an offer of a securities product nor an investment strategy. The advisors of Assured Concepts Group offer securities and investment advisory services through FSIC. FSIC is a member of FINRA and SIPC.